Hello TikTok refugee. Here is the China CNC factory noontime. Most Chinese people will take a nap. After lunch, you can see the lights are all off. So it is very dark. That is quality manager. He doesn't take nap because he is very busy. It is the end of the year. All customers hope to get the goods shipped before the long spring festival holiday. A colleague is going to nap here in the small meeting room. But most workers will take a nap in the dormitory. The noon time is 1.5 hours. It will take half hour to have lunch and 1 hour to take a nap at the dormitory. So the office is almost empty. No one is in the room. The factory room is almost empty. We are preparing the annual ceremony venue. We will play games, give awards and participate in lucky draws. It would be a China-style party. It is the dormitory building. The dormitory is very near the workplace. It is convenient to nap in dormitory. They will not be easy to get late.